All right, guys, finally closed out break number 4 of our Hit Parade graded Bowman first baseball box. This is from Series 4, box 92 out of 100. Each box has got one graded Bowman first buyback card. So chance to pull some big cards, including a Ronald Acuna 2017 Bowman Chrome Blue, and I think it's a pristine 10. So it's definitely in the thousands in terms of that card. So let's see if we can pull that one. There's some other ones in here as well. Now every spot gives you 3 random teams. So Tim, you've got 1 spot in this. Kyle H with 1. Barry's got 1. John M with 1. Nick D's got 3. William B with 1. Christopher W with 1. And then Victor, you've got a spot in this as well. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the 30 teams. All right, let's randomize this 5 times. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. Yeah, Nick, I got you, man. Thank you. I got to remember that probably right is Nick. I think I messed that up last week. All right, here we go. Barry, you've got the Giants, the Astros, and the Cubs. Chris with the Indians, Twins, and Padres. John, you've got the Tigers, Mets, and Blue Jays. Kyle with the Mariners, the Rangers, and the Royals. Nick, you've got the Pirates, the Rockies, the Brewers, the Nationals, the Cardinals, the Angels, the Rays, the A's, and the Red Sox. Tim, you've got the Dodgers, the Marlins, and the White Sox. Victor with the Diamondbacks, Reds, and Yankees. And then William, you've got the Phillies, the Orioles, and the Braves. Best luck I ever had in a break. This is years ago. I just started breaking myself. So I was getting into some other guys' breaks. Pulled a Mike Trout autographed jersey. It's still on my boy's wall upstairs. It's hard to top that. But the memorabilia breaks haven't had as much luck other than that. All right, here's a nice one. I feel like we pulled him out of the last one we did. Or one of the other ones. It's going to be another Riley Green 2019 Bowman Draft Chrome Refractor PSA 10. So he is definitely an upcoming stud for Detroit. And a nice refractor there. So Detroit is going to be going to John M. So John, congratulations, man. And I legit think we pulled him in one of those other first 3 breaks. So I'm going to go back and check on that. We'll get that in the mail tomorrow. So John, congratulations. Appreciate you guys helping us close out that last one.